Good evening, friends. Today I'll be showing you one important thing in recruitment, that is called covering of the CV. Covering of the CV is nothing but you have to secure or hide the contact details in the CV and send to the form before sending to the company. Why it is important? Because before sending the CV, if you don't remove the contact details, the company can connect you, connect the candidate without contacting the consultant or the recruiter. So it is important. Our object is to every time whenever the company is hiring any candidate, they should keep the recruiter in between. So directly in the initial stage, definitely they should not have the all the details of the candidate, so they can bypass the recruiter. Because what happens in many times, the recruitment process takes lots of time. I mean, sometimes it is 1 or 2 months also. So recruiter cannot keep the track of the CV that they have sent to the company. Sometimes the HR also gets changed. So how you have to, remove the details of the CV, and the company can also understand what are the things are there in the CV. Let's see. So there is a one CV is there. This executive in the auto industry and 2 lakh is the CTC. It is junior level people person. So I am opening the CV. Okay. The name is Kunal Vissas. It is not a genuine original name. Original number is not there. It is for the demo only. The picture is there. So what happens? First thing, we have to give the logo of the company. Our logo. So we have to copy the logo from here, and we can paste the logo on the header. So what happens? This gives the idea to the company that it was sourced or sent from the consultancy side, because same CV could be sent from same consultancy, and if something that sort of happens, then whoever is sending the first the CV, he will get the credit. This is the concept of consulting business. So where I have mentioned the logo, I have put the logo in the header of the CV. Then I will add something else. Suppose the CTC of the candidate is 2 lakh. So current CTC 2 lakhs per annum. Okay? And suppose he is getting a notice period, he is having a notice period of 15 days. So I'll write 15 days. It will be easier for the company to understand how fast the candidate can join and what is his current CTC. And also I suggest to write the name of the recruiter. So recruiter is, say, I am the recruiter, I am getting my name. You can write it here also. It actually it will help wherever there are multiple consultants are working in a particular consultancy. If I mention the name of the recruiter, what happens easily the team leader of the consultancy, they can identify who is the person has sourced the CV. So he knows the CV, he knows the candidate, he will be communicating for the subsequent interview. Right. Right now there is, you see, there is mobile number, email ID is given. So delete all this thing. Then check any other contact details is given. No, there is nothing. If there is any reference, PAN card, passport number, or Aadhaar number in the CV, just remove that, because by this unique details, it is possible to find the CV. Okay? So you have to do that. Then you have to save the CV once again by the same jagah. Kunal Vissas, then O and I means options and ideas. We are mentioning for your organization, it could be different. Then the CV is saved. Why it is ONI? So it will help the, it is not the original name actually of the candidate, so I am just changing this thing. So by saying this, the company can understand, and also the recruiter can understand this is a covered CV. ONI means is a covered CV, and also the branding of the consultancy. ONI means options and ideas. So without, you have to, in the original CV you have to keep, otherwise whenever the candidate is shortlisted, you will be losing the contact details. So you have to again find the contact details of the candidate, like mail ID and phone number. So you have to keep the original CV also. And at the same time, in the same space, folder. You cannot have the two CVs in the same name. So you have to change the name actually. So it is that is the reason we have changed the name. Okay. So this is how you have to change the name of the CV, and you have to make the CV as a cover CV. So this CV you have to send to the company. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Please go through our services and contact us for any services required by you. Our contact details are mentioned at the end of this video. Have a nice day.